up guys, welcome back to another vlog. And guys, as you can see, I'm at the airport today because today I'm heading to New York. It's currently around 7 o'clock. It's 4 degrees Celsius, which is around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's really cold. Our flight got delayed an hour, so we're literally just gonna board our plane, and I'll meet up with you guys once I get inside. And yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a bit. From New York, guys. Alright, so we just landed in New York. We got our baggage and everything, and now we're waiting for our car, and then we're gonna head to our residence for the next 10 days. Guys, it's freezing cold. Let me tell you that my hands are literally freezing, and this is not even the weather that we're gonna be seeing in Buffalo. It's gonna be literally 10 times colder in Buffalo. We might even be able to see snow falling, which is gonna be amazing. So right now I'm just gonna go inside. I'm gonna freshen up a bit because it was a normal flight, like in the morning, and our flight got delayed. I'm really sleepy right now, so I'm gonna head inside, go to the restroom, wait for the car, and then I'm probably gonna head home. And I'll be catching up with you guys then, because today we are also going to be going to some places, probably Brooklyn or Manhattan, and I'll be keeping you guys updated on that. So let's go. Alright guys, so we're currently at Bryant Park, and they set up this winter festival here during the November season, during the Christmas season. And we were about to head to Manhattan, but we stopped by at the Bryant Park because it's on the way to the Manhattan, and it's so beautiful, let me tell you that. It's like you're surrounded by skyscrapers and you're just ice skating in the rink. So we're actually going to be going ice skating. We might be going ice skating, but it's not going to be here. It's going to be the one at Central Park. That's truly amazing. We might go to that one after we get back from Buffalo and Niagara Falls. Right now it's totally breathtaking. I mean, I'm just like staring at these big buildings, and it's just stunning. Guys, behind me right there, that building right there, that's one of the most famous buildings here in the downtown. That's actually the building that they do the ball drop on the New Year's Eve. And they actually have the ball up there, and it says 2022 all the way up there. And I think it's gonna be on December, and they're gonna be doing a ball drop, and it's like every year it's like spectacular. It's amazing. And I think this is the building that they do it at. Guys, this place right here is really special and close to my heart because I came here. I've been here 2 times before, and the last time I came here was 8 years ago. I was like what, 6, 7, something like that. And I have my pictures of this spot right here. I'm like this little standing with the superheroes, and it was exactly at this spot, and here I am after 8 more years exactly at that spot, and look at that. Guys, the girl that I just showed you on the ground is not for drainage or anything. The actual purpose of that thing is to create sound. If you ever go close to it, you're going to be hearing some buzzing sound, almost like a sci-fi sound, like a xylophone. It's like a humming noise, and it comes from the bottom, and there's actually speakers set at the bottom to create sound environment around the entire Times Squares, and it's actually not a drainage system. And it's actually cool to know that it's actually like a sound system that they have at the bottom throughout the entire Times Squares to create sound effects throughout the entire entire area, which is pretty cool. Alright guys, so I will be signing off for day 1 here in New York City from Times Squares. It was amazing today. It was freezing cold. Like, I struggled so much holding the camera and everything, so I'm gonna call it a day. If you guys enjoyed it, you already know, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in the next vlog.